Select My Account. Click on Add New. Select Link with WalletConnect. Select WalletConnect. Select a chain that you would like to connect to. Once selected, click Connect. A WalletConnect pop-up will appear on your screen with unique QR code. Open your crypto wallet app on your mobile device and scan the QR code. Once scanned, your mobile wallet will ask for permission to connect to StraitsX. Tap Connect or Approve on your phone. Review the details and select Verify and Sign. Once confirmed, your blockchain address will be added successfully to your StraitsX account. Do note that verification of address with a digital asset platform may take up to 1 business day. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.